I'm going to try to make the Dunkin' Donuts Copycat white or vanilla and chocolate filled donuts. So I've got my canned biscuits here. Now I'm gonna set these out and let them come to room temperature. So I'm gonna make everything else while I'm waiting for these to warm up, which should just take 5 minutes. I have my used oil here in my pan for frying. So I just store this in the refrigerator till I need to use it the next time. Then if I need more oil to top it off, which it looks like I do, I just add the extra oil I need. That's probably good. Okay, so we're gonna let this heat up on medium-high heat. Now I'm gonna try and have it around 340 degrees and cook them slightly longer, because last time my temp got up to 360 and my boys said that the insides didn't totally get cooked all the way. So we're going to turn the heat down just a little bit. You can save up to 50% off on our Dining on a Dime cookbooks for our Mother's Day sale happening right now. Easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick that your family will love. The link is in the description below. Please go check out our Dining on a Dime cookbooks right now and grab them up to 50% off. While that is warming up, I'm just gonna make my buttercream frosting for my Dining on a Dime Volume 1. The link is also in the description below. So we've got some shortening that we're starting with. I'm going to fluff that up. All right. And then I have my powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, however you want to call it. Okay, right there. And my vanilla. Now, instead of milk though, I'm using heavy whipping cream for my liquid, okay? You can use milk if you want. I forgot a pinch of salt. I think I'm gonna make just a little bit more. That's pretty good. Just a bit of butter in there, just to give it a little bit of butter flavor. All right, let me see. Oh my, that is delicious. Now we're gonna go fry our donuts. All right, my oil isn't up to speed yet, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get a container here filled with some powdered sugar to shake my donuts in to get them all covered in powdered sugar when I'm done, okay? All right, so how to test to see if you don't have a digital thermometer, which I'll link this in the description below, but take your biscuit, hold it in there, and if it starts to sizzle, then your oil is ready. If it doesn't sizzle, then your oil's not ready yet. So my oil's not hot enough yet. See how it's sizzling? Okay, now we're ready. Okay, we are back. They are cooled, So I have my cupcake filler tip there. I will link that in the description below. And I'm going to put my filling in. Then what you do, just poke a hole. I kind of move it back and forth just to open it up in there a little bit. And then okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to put them in and shake them up. Oops, where's my hole? Then over the top, going to add a nice big poof. Yum. Okay, so now I'm going to empty this out and do chocolate. I'll show you the chocolate. Now for the chocolate, what I'm going to do is you can just add a little bit of baking cocoa if you want to your cream, but I happen to have some chocolate frosting left over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my chocolate frosting in with my white. Then that'll make it taste chocolate. And I can use up this frosting and it doesn't go to waste. Okay, so get this all mixed up. Ooh, that'd be pretty for marble. Tasting. Oh, yum. Delicious, delicious. Oh, yum. All right, we're gonna come right back and taste test. All right, here is our vanilla. Yum. Vanilla. Here's our chocolate. Go. Okay, we're gonna taste test.
I have to taste test chocolate again.
Yes, again. I know.
It smells delish.
Does it taste like Dunkin' Donuts? You remember they had the fluffy ones at Dunkin' Donuts?
I think. I don't remember Dunkin' Donuts that well. Man, they're really good though. Man, the icing is really good. Actually, the whole thing is really good.